for this question, I've basically got the hypotenuse of a right-angled triangle, and I need to work out the two side edges. Yeah, so that's going to be my I vector, and that's going to be my j vector. So if so I can't use Pythagoras because I don't have enough information, but I can use trigonometry. So if I want to get this side here, that's opposite over hypotenuse. So if I'm doing opposite over hypotenuse, that's going to be sine 30. So let's call that x. So that makes more sense to call that y. So sine 30 is y over 7. And then if I want to do this side here, that's adjacent and hypotenuse compared to the 30-degree angles. So cos 30 is x over 7. Okay, so if I grab the calculator, okay, so I'm in degrees mode, so sine 30, don't forget to close those brackets, multiplied by 7 gives me y is 7 over 2 or 3.5 or however you want to give that, and cos 30 multiplied up by the 7 gives me my x component as 7 root 3 over 2. I've been asked to write these, well, it says I and j all column vectors, so I'll do this first one both ways. So as a column vector, it's 7 root 3 over 2, 7 over 2. As I and j vectors, it's 7 root 3 over 2i plus 7 over 2j. Okay, let's do B. So there's my right-angled triangle for B. So that's a 36-degree angle. The vector's going in that direction. So both my I and j vectors are going to be negative. See, just from the direction they're going in, that's the negative I direction, and down is the negative j direction. Okay, so again, let's call that x and y. So x is adjacent again, so cos 36 is adjacent over hypotenuse, sine 36 is opposite over hypotenuse. So again, if I grab the calculator, so cos 36 multiplied by 10. Okay, so let's just move the calculator out of the way. Gives me 8.09. We'll go to 3 significant figures. And sine 36 multiplied by 10 gives me 5.88. I'll just do this one as a column vector. But what is important is that, as we said, I realise that they are both going in the negative direction. So it's minus 8.09 and it's minus 5.88, and if you gave that as an I and j vector, it'd be minus 8.09i minus 5.88j. Okay, and then let's just do the last one. So C is going off in that direction, so these are both going to be positive vectors. Yep, that's the positive x direction, that's the positive y direction. Okay, so if this is my hypotenuse and this is my angle, x is opposite, so sine 35 is x over 8, cos 35 is y over 8, so I grab the calculator. Sine 35 multiplied by 8 is 4.59 to 3 significant figures, and cos 35 multiplied by 8 is 6.55 to 3 significant figures. So again, I'll write this one as a column vector, so that would be 4.59, 6.55. Again, if you gave it as an I and j vector, it would be 4.59i plus 6.55j.